Understanding the cause of the smell. Let's start by understanding why cat litter smells. When your cat uses the litter box, both urine and feces release odors. Urine, in particular, contains ammonia, which has a strong, unpleasant scent. If waste stays in the box too long, those smells get worse. Another factor is poor ventilation. If the litter box is in a closed-off area, odors can build up quickly. Lastly, the type of litter you use also plays a role. Some litters don't absorb moisture well or mask odors effectively. Now that we know the causes, let's move on to the solutions. Tip 1. Scoop the box daily, or more. This is the golden rule of litter box maintenance. Scoop the box at least once a day to remove waste. If you have multiple cats, you may need to scoop twice or even 3 times a day. Daily scooping prevents waste from sitting too long, reducing odors significantly. Make it part of your routine. You can do it in the morning or evening, whatever works best for you. And here's a quick bonus tip. Use a scooper with small holes. It'll help you remove even tiny clumps that can cause smells. Tip 2. Change the litter regularly. Even if you're scooping daily, the litter itself can start to hold odors over time. For most single-cat households, changing the litter completely once a week works well. If you have multiple cats, aim for every 4 or 5 days. When you change the litter, take the time to clean the box. Use warm water and mild soap to wash it out. Avoid harsh chemicals. They can leave a residue or bother your cat's sensitive nose. Make sure the box is completely dry before adding fresh litter. Tip 3. Use high-quality litter. Not all cat litters are the same. Some are designed specifically to control odors. Clumping litters tend to work well because they lock in moisture and odors. You can also find litters with added baking soda, charcoal, or other odor-fighting ingredients. Experiment with a few brands to find one that works for both you and your cat. Remember, some cats can be picky about their litter, so watch how they react to any changes. Tip 4. Sprinkle baking soda. Here's an old-school trick that works wonders. Sprinkle a thin layer of baking soda at the bottom of the litter box before adding fresh litter. Baking soda is a natural deodorizer and helps neutralize odors. Don't go overboard, though. Too much can alter the texture of the litter, and some cats might not like it. A little bit goes a long way. Tip 5. Keep the litter box in the right spot. Placement matters more than you might think. If the litter box is in a poorly ventilated area, odors can get trapped. Choose a spot with good airflow, like near a window or in a larger room. Avoid placing the box in small enclosed spaces like closets or tiny bathrooms. If possible, open a nearby window to let fresh air circulate. Good ventilation makes a big difference. Tip 6. Use litter box liners. Liners can be a game changer for some cat parents. They act as a barrier, preventing urine from soaking into the bottom of the box. This makes cleaning easier and helps reduce lingering smells. But here's the catch. Not all cats like liners. Some might scratch at them or refuse to use the box. If that happens, don't force it. Your cat's comfort comes first. Tip 7. Add more litter boxes. If you have multiple cats, you need more than one litter box. The general rule is 1 box per cat plus 1 extra. For example, if you have 2 cats, you should have 3 litter boxes. This helps prevent overcrowding and reduces odor buildup in any single box. Place the boxes in different areas of your home to give your cats options. Tip 8. Clean the area around the box. Sometimes it's not just the box that smells. Odors can linger around the box, especially if litter gets scattered. Vacuum or sweep the area daily to pick up stray litter. Wipe down nearby surfaces with a pet-safe cleaner. If you use a litter mat, shake it out or wash it regularly. Keeping the area clean will make a big difference in controlling smells. Tip 9. Try covered litter boxes. A covered litter box can help contain odors and reduce their spread. It also gives your cat more privacy, which some cats love. But not all cats are fans of covered boxes. If you switch to one, watch your cat closely to make sure they're comfortable using it. If they seem hesitant, you may need to go back to an open box. Tip 10. Use air purifiers and deodorizers. Air purifiers are a great way to tackle lingering odors in the air. Place one near the litter box to help remove smells and improve air quality. You can also use pet-safe deodorizers designed for litter boxes. Avoid strong perfumes or sprays, as they can irritate your cat. Stick with products that are natural and cat-friendly. Tip 11. Watch your cat's diet. Your cat's diet plays a big role in the smell of their waste. High-quality cat food is easier to digest and often leads to less smelly waste. Avoid cheap or low-quality brands that can cause digestive issues. Also, make sure your cat is drinking enough water. Dehydration can make their urine smell stronger. If you notice any sudden changes in the smell or texture of their waste, consult your vet. It could be a sign of a health issue. Dealing with litter box smells is part of being a cat parent, but it doesn't have to be a big problem. With these tips, you can keep your home fresh, clean, and welcoming. Your cat will appreciate the clean space, and so will you. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found these tips helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Let us know in the comments, what's your go-to trick for keeping litter box smells at bay? We'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video, and give your cat a cuddle for us.